It was funny. Yeah.
Yes, but first we have to sort out what's going on around you or the property or both.
Because he said, it's burning.
It is. Like maybe my face is real sensitive because it got suntan or sunburn the other day. And so this right here, burn. It does, it's like,
Huh.
the other, my forehead, no. Up here, no. My chin, no. Here, no. No, then here, get on, bitch.
Now, this was something else before you built it? Okay, I just need to